Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add money to your Trust Wallet. Let's begin. So first things first, make sure your Trust Wallet is up and I will show you how to add money from here. Okay, so if you could see this one right here that says buy, just click on that and say for example, I wanted to buy Bitcoin, just click on that one and it would lead you to this page wherein you will be able to buy $150 worth of Bitcoin. Then just click on next, and then in my case, I normally have my Binance Connect because this is where my Trust Wallet is connected for me to add money, wherein my credit card or my bank account is also associated with it. And I'm currently located in the Philippines, hence you could see here that it's defaulted in the Philippines. And just like when you're going to add money in Binance here, it's like when you're able to choose the when you're able to choose what cryptocurrency that you want to buy and then you want to add money. So this is the option that I have. So once you have it here, if you hit on continue, so for $150 that I'm buying, and then given that this is already, like all information is already complete, I fill in the necessary, information as well as security details just to make sure that my purchase or adding money is secured. This is how it looks like. So from here, just hit and continue, and then there's just gonna be a few messages after that just to confirm, buying Bitcoin. So that's basically how you add money to your Trust Wallet for you to buy cryptocurrency from here. So I think that's it. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and then Trust Wallet in general, please check our channel and subscribe so you'll learn more, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.